sa ano, strong woman from Cagayan de Oro City. Ano? Ha? Thank you for the 2 million viewers dyan. Nearly to 2K million viewers. Thank you so much for being here, guys. Sa mga wala pong agency dyan at naghahanap po kayo ng legit, trusted, at active na agency, at yung agency po na hindi kayo iiwan sa ere, yung agency po na kayo po ay gagabayan at sasabayan po kayo na mag-aangat ng lahat. Hindi ka po maiiwan sa ere, hindi ka po maiiwan sa low. Kung lahat po, kung ang founder po namin ay umaangat, kami po rin po, lahat na po ng AG member po ay umaangat po. Wala po talagang iwanan dito, guys. If you are kind, you will be gifted po with kindness din po. Kaya, guys, hindi ko talaga to expect. Thank you so much. Nanginginig ako sa ano. Thank you so much po. Thank you. Oh my God. Sa mga wala pong agency, mayroon po nagda-draft na kanilang dyan, mga pangalan po nila, hindi ko na alam kung paano magsalita. Sa mga agency, sa mga wala pong agency dyan. Tapos naghahanap po kayo ng legit, trusted at saka active na agency, guys. Dyan sa aking comment section, guys, mayroon pong mga nagda-draft ng kanilang mga Facebook account. Yan po sila ay mga legit EG member po. Malalaman nyo po yan sila kapag sila po ay merong DP at saka AG member na AG name po, yan. And also po, beware po kayo sa mga scammers po, ha, kasi marami na po talagang nag-i-scam, ginagamit yung pangalan ng AJ, lalo-lalo na po yung mga DP po namin. Malalaman nyo po na beware po yun sa beware po talaga. Ang kailangan nyo lang po talaga is to search yung mga DP number, mga DP po namin, meron po yung silang mga ID number po. Kung tugma po yan siya, guys, pwede po kayong yan po yung masusundan nyo po. Yes, kapag tugma po yan po ay legit na AG member po. And also po, guys, kung kayo po ay mag-join sa aming agency, marami po kayong matatanggap na benefits. Yes, marami talaga kayong matatanggap na benefits, guys. This will be my testimony na yung AG po namin, guys, is a super legit. Yes, live testimony ko talaga to, guys. Oh my God, I really feel the love. Thank you so much. Actually, from day one, the day that I joined the agency, feel ko na talaga yung love, guys, kasi hindi po talaga ako iniwan sa area ng aking inviters, which is our public star Shane. Hindi talaga ako iniwan yan. Hindi na ako iniwan ng aking kaibigan na which is nagpakilala sa akin sa Pupu World, which is si EG Inday. Hindi na talaga ako iniiwan. Actually, ako yung umiiwan sa kanya. Nakakalimutan ko siya sa pagka-busy ko po, pero siya, hindi niya talaga ako nakakalimutan, guys. And also, lahat po ng mga managers po natatanungan ko po, hindi nila ako nakakalimutang sagutin. And also, our AG secretary po, every time po kami, actually, secretary po siya ni founder. Pero naging secretary siya sa lahat ng member po. Kaya we are so blessed po talaga kasi kahit ordinary member lang po kami, meron na kaming AG secretary. I love you, Sek! Oh my gosh! Nasabi ko na naman siya. Anyway, to those doesn't have an agency, mag-English ako. Try ko mag-English. To those doesn't have an agency and you are looking for a legit, trusted, and active agency, you are welcome here to join to our family. And also, our agency has no release policy, but you won't regret joining here because our agency is, as I said, it's super legit, super trusted, and super active. Once you are entered here, you will be given a welcome gift worth of 3K. If you are an AG member and you are already registered to our website, you will be given, or you are enlisted in a master list, you will be given a birthday gift. If your birthday is on this year, 2026, but let's start on April because January, February, and March is already done. So it start here in April, month of April, and till December 2026. If your birthday is on that month, you are be giving the chance. You have the chance of receiving 5,000 worth of gift here in Pupu Coins. Will be sent to your inbox. And also, if you, as I said, if you are registered because you're an AG and you are registered in a website, you will be given a chance. You have the ticket of gift giving every month. No other agency can give you that. only our AG family, AG agency, our founder only, guys. Only our founder. Shout out founder. And also, if ever you are registered, if our founder will be declaring her monthly bulsahan, or so I say, bulsahan in the Philippines, you are in a foreign language, which is English or any kind of language you are, and you can understand me, it will be a monthly gift giving that will be worth 10k coins here in Pupu, and also only our founder can give you that. And if our founder have her event with her panel, will be given, if you're if she has event in her panel, and you are the viewer there, and also if you are an AG member, you have the 3 uniform, DP, AGDP, AG name, and AG badge. You can see that the badge will be shown or seen on founders panel. If you have that 3, you will be given a chance to receive the surprise gift. How to receive the surprise gift? It always be in your inbox, guys. And if our founder decided to play a game, what kind of game would that be? It will be hashtag gift giving. How to play the hashtag gift? It will just, our founder would say, okay guys, you can comment hashtag si Riyang nagyayaw again. What if that, for example, hala, am I temporary away? Again? Hello guys? Sorry. And if ever you are, oh my god, nagtitemporary away naman ako na. Hello, nagtitemporary away ako. Sorry guys. My signal is not signaling. My signal is not signaling, guys. I'm so sorry. The signaling is not signaling. Okay, once again, continue to the gift giving, to the hashtag gift. And then, if ever our founder will say, okay, the game will be hashtag si Ijoriyang nagyayaw again. You will be receiving a hashtag gift, guys. Yes, but tanggap, yan po ang nakuha nila. Yan po yung experience nila dito sa AJ. Kaya if you, guys, please do. Kapag po mayroon pa na kayo nakikita po dyan na na mga video po, share nyo po sa inyong mga wall. At saka also, kapag ikaw naman po ay nandito, tapos ikaw nakakakinig ka sa akin, and you are interested, or you are wondering, or you are curious about EJ, join na po kayo, guys. Wala ka na, Kati? Oh. Wait lang. Magkanta muna ako, guys. Ano muna, guys, enakbe. Sa din na ang kanta sa din, i-search sa din na ang How Do I? Oh, di ba? Magkakanta muna ako, guys. Yan. Anong oras na ba? Thank you so much for being here, guys. Ito kakanta. Ikakanta ko to. Hello po, 96 viewers. Good morning, and malapit na po talaga magtanghali. Thank you so much po sa mga nagbibigay po ng kanilang papas, sa kanilang pagmamahal po nandyan. Thank you for supporting me, guys. Thank you so much po. Thank you so much. I really appreciate the love. I really appreciate the support. I really appreciate all you guys. Thank you so much. Nag-loading na yung cellphone ng anak ko. Wala, nag-Shopee siya, anak. It means, ikaw na lang magpindot, nak. Nag-Shopee kasi siya. Thank you. Yeah. Gawin a word for me. And baby, I don't know what I would do. I've been lost if I lost you. If you ever leave, baby, will you take away how Facebook ko siya dyan sa ano, Facebook account ko sa comment section. Captain Paul po. If you ever leave, baby, will you take away everything? Need you with me. Baby, will you take away everything good in my life? I can't hide, and I'm losing count to try it. Can't fight it, I hide it, but I can't fight it. Go on, come on, leave me breathless, take me, choose me, until I can't deny this love I'm feeling. Leave me alone for your kiss. Go on, yes. Diyan na kayo, guys. Diyan na pa kayo dito sa aming agency, guys. Thank you so much po, Andre. Sa lahat po na nag-support, thank you so much po. Asa na nga ako? I'm happy just to have you. You're all the love I need somehow. It's like a dream, yes, like a dream. Oh, dude, I'm not asleep. And I never want to wake up. Can't lose it, can't live it. So go on, come on, leave me breathless. I need to me until I